Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, corporate chef for United Family of Stores. There's been a lot of questions on how can I dress up my store-bought dessert. Well, I've got an idea for you today that's not only tasty but memorable. Flambe over cheesecake. The second flambe dish we'll be making is bananas Foster. Of course, we'll be using fresh bananas, butter, brown sugar, banana liqueur, a little bit of cinnamon, and flaming it with some dark rum. To start the bananas Foster, we're going to slice our fresh bananas. Got 4 bananas here. Just peel that down. And just slice them in about 1/4 inch slices. The thicker they are, the more they'll stand up to the heat. These bananas are perfect. I like them with a little green in it still, just on the tips. Of course, you can use a really ripe banana too, and it's just going to be sweeter, but we're adding a lot of sugar to this. So, okay, now that our pan's hot, we're going to add our butter to it. This is an unsalted sweet cream butter. I'm just going to let that start to melt. We're going to add our brown sugar to it. We're going to mix that around and let that sugar dissolve. Okay, now that our butter is just about melted and our sugar is dissolved, we're going to add our bananas to this, along with banana liqueur and a pinch of cinnamon. Got to be careful on the cinnamon, it can be really strong. We're going to mix this together and let the bananas cook for just a little bit. Okay, now that our bananas have cooked with our liqueur and brown sugar and butter, we're going to add the secret ingredient, dark rum. I'm going to add this to the, let it heat up just a little bit and tilt it to flame. It's burning off. Shake it as it burns. This has got a little bit more alcohol than the cherry flavored brandy. If you use real brandy on the other one, it would flame like this. And we're just going to keep stirring that and let that just burn off. Turn down your heat a little bit and let it simmer to get a little bit thick. Okay, now that this is cooked a little bit and the alcohol's burned off, it's had a chance to thicken up, it's ready to serve. Boy, that smells good. I'm just going to take a little bit of banana, a little juice, and just spoon it right over our cheesecake slice. Serve it to our guest, and what a great way to dress up a store-bought cheesecake. These recipes and others are available on our website.